keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello dear students, today we will learn Mathematics Part 1 of Standard 9, Chapter 1, Sets. Topics to be covered in this chapter are Sets Introduction, different methods of writing sets, type of sets, equal set subset, Venn diagram, universal set, intersection and union of sets, number of element in a set, and last, application of sets in word problem. In this video, we will learn set introduction and different methods of writing sets. Some pictures are given here. It contains a group of things you know: bouquet of flower, bunch of keys, flock of birds, pile of notebooks, collection of numbers. We use special words for each of the collection given above. In all the examples, we can clearly list the object of that collection. We call the collection of such object as set. So let us define sets. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of the given collection, then that collection is called a set. In short, we can say collection of well-defined objects. Let us take an example. Suppose if we want to play cricket, the objects required for playing cricket are bat, stump, ball, etc., which can be written as cricket equals to bat, stump, ball, etc. Here the objects what we selected, bat, stump, ball, are well-defined objects for playing cricket. So the name of this set can be called as cricket, and the objects, well-defined objects what we selected, can be called as elements or the member of the set. The same thing in sets, it can be written as A is a set of bat, stump, ball, and so on. Generally, the name of the set is given using capital letters. Example A, B, C, and on. The members or elements of the set are shown by using small letters. Example small letter A, small letter B, small letter C, and so on. In the above example, suppose if we want to say bat is an element of set A, then we can write it as bat, symbol of element A, which can be read as bat is an element of set A. And if we want to say hockey stick is not an element of set A, then we write it as hockey stick is not an element of set A. Now we will learn methods of writing set. There are two different methods of writing set. First one, listing method or roster method. Second one, rule method or set builder form. These are the two different methods of writing set. Let us see listing method or roster form. In this method, we write all the elements of a set in a curly bracket. Each of the elements is written only once, separated by commas. The order of the element are not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. Let us see one example. The set of odd numbers between 1 to 10 can be written as A equals to, in curly bracket, 3, 5, 7, 9, which can be read as A is a set of 3, 5, 7, 9, where A will be called as the name of the set and inside the curly bracket the number 3, 5, 7, 9 are the elements or the member of the set. It can also be written as A is a set of 5, 7, 3, 9. What we did here, we interchanged their position. As we had studied above, the order of the elements are not important. It is necessary to write all the elements of the set. So even we can write it as A is a set of 5, 7, 3, 9. Let us see rule method or a set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of the elements, but we write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or colon and with the property of the variable. For example, A equals to, in a curly bracket x, vertical line x, element n, 1 less than x less than 10, which can be read as set A is a set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 to 10. Let us see a few more examples of listing or roster method or set builder or a rule method. Example number 1. A is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Observe these numbers. These numbers are of even natural numbers which are less than 15. So in a set builder form, it can be written as A is a set of x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. Second example, B is a set of x such that x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Now let us collect the perfect square numbers between 1 to 20. Those numbers are 4, 9 and 16. So we can write it as B is a set of 4, 9, 16. Example number 3. C is a set of A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets remind us about vowels in English alphabet. So it can be written as C is a set of x such that x is vowel in English alphabets. Example number 4. D is a set of y such that y is a color in the rainbow. We know the different 7 colors in the rainbow. Those will be called as an element for set D. Example number 5. P is a set of x such that x is an integer, and here we have a variable x. On both the hand side of the variable we get a condition. The left hand side condition will give us the starting number of the set and the right hand side condition will give us the ending number of the set. Let us read the left hand side condition from the variable x. We can read it as x greater than minus 3. The number greater than minus 3 is minus 2. So I got my first element, that is minus 2. Now let us see the last element is what. Again we will go to variable x and we will read to the right hand side. X less than 3. The number less than 3 is 2. Means I got my ending number, that is 2. So now that P set can be written as minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Example number 6. M is a set of 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and so on. Observe this number. These numbers are cube of the natural number. Cube of 1, cube of 2, cube of 3, cube of 4, cube of 5, and it doesn't stop. So we can write it as M is a set of x such that x is a cube of natural numbers. Now we will solve practice set 1.1. Main question 1. Write the following set in a roster form or in a listing form. Set of even numbers. We know what is even numbers. Numbers which are divisible by 2, and they had not given any condition till what they want the even numbers. Then it can be written as A is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, dot dot dot. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. We know what is prime number, the number which are divisible by itself or by 1. Here they had said they want to make a set of even prime numbers. Only one even prime numbers we have, that is 2. So it can be written as B is a set of 2. Set of negative integers. Negative integers. When we refer number line, the biggest negative integer is -1, but the smallest negative integers cannot be defined. So it can be written as C is a set of dot 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 -3, -2, -1. Or it can also be written as C is a set of -1, -2, -3, dot dot dot. As we had studied, the order of the element can be written in any order. Fourth one, 7 basic sound of a sargam. We know the 7 basic sound of a sargam has to be listed in a set. D is a set of sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Question number 2. Write the following symbolic statement in words. Now it will be given in a symbol form. We have to write in a statement. First one, 4/3 element of Q, which can be written as 4/3 is an element of set Q. -2 element, they had kept a stroke on that element. N, it can be written as -2 is not an element of set N. Third one, P equals to, in a curly bracket P, vertical line P is an odd number, which can be written in a statement form as P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Question number 3. Write any two set by listing method or by rule method. First, for listing method, A is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8. And second example, B is a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. Now in rule method, first one, A is a set of X such that X is an even number less than 10. Second one, B is a set of Y such that Y is a whole number. Question number 4. Write the following set using listing method or in a roster form. First one, all months in the Indian solar year. Letters in the word complement. Set of human sensory organ. Name of continent of the world. It can be written in a listing form as first one, A is a set of all the months in the Indian solar year. Will be listed separated with a comma. Second one, letters in the word complement. They want us to make a set of letters, alphabets of the spelling complement. Here we will follow the rule what we had studied earlier. Element cannot be repeated. In the spelling of complement, I can see the alphabet E and alphabet M are repeated twice. So, by listing these elements, we will see to it those two letters E and M will be written only once. So it can be written as B is a set of C, O, M, P, L, E, N, T. The alphabets which are repeated has written only once. Third one, set of human sensory organ. We know there are 5 sensory organs. It can be written as C is a set of nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. Fourth one, name of the continent of the world. there are total 7 continents, which can be written as D is a set of Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. In any order we can specify in the listing form. Question number 5. Write the following sets using rule method or set builder form. First one. A is a set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Here when we observe these numbers are square of natural number, square of 1, square of 2, square of 3 and so on till square of 100. So it can be written as A is a set of x such that x is a square of natural numbers from 1 to 10. Sum number 2. B is a set of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. When we observe this number, these numbers are multiple of 6. They had written till 48, means these are the first 8 multiple of 6, which can be written as B is a set of x such that x is the first 8 multiple of 6. Sum number 3. C is a set of S, M, I, L, E. They had taken 5 alphabets. Now with this 5 alphabet, whatever word we can form, here I can see we can form a word called smile, or it can also be miles. It can be written as C is a set of Y such that Y is a letter in word smile, or it can be written as miles. Sum number 4. D is a set of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and so on till Saturday. These are the days of a week. It can be written as D is a set of x such that x is a day of week. Sum number 5. E is a set of alphabet A, E, T. Again with these 3 alphabet, we can frame a word which can be eat, tea. So it can be written as E is a set of Z such that Z is a letter of word eat or tea.